Class 11, Subject Biology, Chapter 18, by Body Fluid and Circulations. Cardiac cycle to begin with. All four chambers are in relaxed state called tridiastoles, as bicuspid and tricuspid valve are open. Blood from pulmonary vein, vena cava flows left right ventricles respectively. Semilunar valves are closed at this stage. SA node generate action potential, contract both arteria. The action potential passes to AV node and bundle of His transmit it to ventricular musculature or to cause ventricular systole. Same time artery undergoes relaxation diastole. To close the bicuspid and tricuspid valve, semilunar valve open into circulatory system that relax the ventricle. Close the valve, prevent back to of blood as pressures inside ventricles decrease. The bicuspid and tricuspid valve open. To repeat the process cardiac cycle. During each cardiac cycle, two sound prolub and dub is due to closure of semi-lunar valve. Electrocardiograph is a graphical representations of electrical activity of heart during cardiac cycle. The electrographic machines is used to obtain electrocardiogram. The patients connected three electrical leads to wrist and left angle PQRST and P wave represent the electrical excitants of arteria which lead to contractions of arteria. QRS wave represent the depolarizations ventricles which initiates the ventricular contractions. The T wave represented the return of ventricles from excited to normal state. Repolarizations. The T waves marks the end systole. Counting the number of QRS complex given period time determine the heartbeat's rate. Double circulations flow the double circulation twice through the heart, once in oxygenated and the other is deoxygenated. Called double circulations include systematic and pulmonary circulations. Next, systematic circulations include oxygenated blood from the left ventricle to all parts of the body and deoxygenated blood from various body parts to the right atrium. All systematic circulation start from aorta and at superior vena cava, inferior vena cava or coronary sinus to right atrium. Arteria. Systematic circulations provide oxygen, nutrient, and other substance tissues and CO2 take other CO2 take and other harmful substance away from removal. Showing this the figure pulmonary vein and pulmonary vein, right ventricles, right aorta, right left aorta, left ventricle and dorsal aorta, heart and body parts, capillary artery, smooth muscles, lumen. Pulmonary circulation flow deoxygenated blood from the right ventricles to left. The return of oxygenated blood from lungs, left atrium called pulmonary circulations. Double circulation prevent mixing oxygenated deoxygenated bloods. Regulations of cardiac activity. Normal activity heart regulate the nodal tissues, so the heart is myogenic yani SA and A and T ventricles node anterior ventricles nodes. Special neutral central medulla oblongata moderates the cardiac functions by ANS. Sympathetic nerve can increase the rate of heartbeat. Parasympathetic nerve of ANS decrease the rate of heartbeat. Adrenal medullary hormones also increase the cardiac output. Disorder of circulatory system. Hypertension, high blood pressures higher than 120 by 80, 120 milli Hg in is systolic, that is pumping pressures 80 mmHg is diastolic. Present lead heart disease affect vital organs like brain and kidney. Coronary artery disease, commonly called atherosclerosis, that affect the blood vessels supply blood to heart muscles due to depositions. Fat, calcium, cholesterol make the arteries lumen narrower. Angina, also called angina pectoris, acute chest pain due to less supply of oxygen to heart muscles. It may occur in elderly, male and female, occur due to restricted blood flow. Heart failure, heart does not pump enough blood to meet the requirement of body. It is also known congestive heart failure because congestions of lungs is one of it causes heart fail different from heart attack. Cardiac arrest, coronary thrombosis, formations of clot in coronary artery. Coronary or thrombosis occur most frequently in the left anterior descending coronary artery. Thank you, class. This lesson is complete.